Hi everyone, I'm back to show you what progress I have made. I had to switch out my machine yet again and put my brother BB370 on here. I was just having trouble with using the glide thread and then using the 66, which was the red eye, which is a back clamping foot, which some of you may know and some of you may not. So I didn't have any other foot to fit on there except for your usual small foot like this, but a back clamping one. So I was having issues, so I decided to switch the machine out again. So here she is, the Brother B370, and I got her all set up. I pulled up the bobbin thread. I'm using Glide on the top, and I'm using regular polyester. I think it's a polyester blend on the bobbin. And here goes the maiden voyage. I'm going to run the machine with the foot pedal in my hand because I didn't adjust the cord just yet. I'll see if this works out to be the best machine on here. Then I'm going to lengthen the cord for the foot. Also, I chalked this out. I hope you could see that. Let me see if I could bring some more light in. Yeah, so I chalked this out because I'm kind of figuring this is the area I'm going to get. Probably not, because my needle is already outside that box, but I chalked a few designs to see if I could actually follow. And then I'm just going to go with it. So here goes. Wait, I got to reposition this foot. Oh no, where was I? I was here. I have a skip there. So again, they say run the machine fast and move the machine slower than you're running it. So there's a little bit of, me getting used to the synchronization of how fast I should move this, how slow I should move the machine, how fast I should press the pedal, but I'll try that now. So again, that was my fault because I went too far up. Now, if I had a grid, I would be staying inside that grid and I wouldn't have to think twice about my hopping foot hitting this right here. And I also realize now that this throat space is smaller than I had on the 66. So I need to adjust that. That's why I can't get into this frame here. Also, I'm noticing that I didn't tighten my fabric as tight as it should be. But these are all things that are user error. And so let's take a look at the stitching. So that isn't so bad. Let me see if I could adjust this a little bit so you could see a little bit more. So that's not terrible, but I just wanted you to see the progress that I've been making. I'm happy with it so far. I think I've got a good setup now. I just have to, I absolutely need some more practice because I've never worked with any kind of long arm or sit down or anything like this. So I'm going to have to learn, and I'm happy to do so. So thanks so much for watching, and of course, see you when I see ya.